Woi, Israel. Israel, Pak ya. Bang. Israel ya, Bang?
Hey, dude.
Oi.
What's up?
Are you from Israel? Yeah. You from Israel?
What?
Are you from Israel? Lah, budak kan.
Yeah, I'm from Israel.
Oh, from Israel. Mana? Haifa. Tel Aviv. Are you from Tel Aviv?
Tel Aviv. No,
Yeah.
I'm from Jerusalem.
Jerusalem.
Yeah.
Waduh, Jerusalem. Tanah Palestina tuh. Palestina, Israel. Konflik.
No Palestine. No Palestine.
No Palestine. Oh, ya Israel, Pak ya. Gitu. Tawa lagi lo. Israel, Pak ya. Israel ambil tanah orang. What's your name?
My name is TB.
Hah?
TB.
TV.
Yeah.
Oh, TV tabung apa TV LCD? Tawa lagi lo ah. Ya, rumah-rumah orang Palestina kali itu.
What is your name?
My name is Tampah Nasi.
Whoa.
What?
What?
Tampah Nasi.
Pampanase?
Tampah.
What is your name?
Tampah Nasi.
Tampah Nasi.
Iya, itu.
Where are you from?
I am from Singapore. Do you know Singapore?
Yeah.
Oh, have you ever been to Singapore?
No.
Ah.
My mom did. My mom.
Your mom did. Waduh, very good. Why don't you go to Singapore? Apa?
I don't know.
Ya, kalau lu ke Singapura kan ntar orang Palestina ke rumah lu. What?
I want to go to Singapore.
Wah, iya, come here, Singapura. Taruh dipalakin pemuda Pancasila.
So is that Singapore is pretty
pretty clean. Yeah, and there are so many skyscraper. Begitu, brother. Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student.
Oh, what grade?
In 9th grade.
Oh, 9th grade. Waduh, mantep.
I'm 16 years old.
16 years old. Iya. What do you want to do in the future? What do you want to be? Rapper.
I don't have any plans.
You look like rapper, you know.
Rapper. No.
Iya, aduh, jangan dah.
Rapper.
Ente jangan jadi roket Hamas, mau gak? Terus.
What you do in your life?
I am a teacher.
Job.
Iya, teacher in high school. Ngajarin tentang penjajahan Israel.
To teach.
Ini history. History about World War, history about apa namanya, manusia purba, apa sih, human apa, predecessor, gitu dah pokoknya, gitu bang. Iya, my English not good. Not really good. Maybe it will make you dizzy, pushing lu ntar. Ada aja dah Israel. Kapan nanti pergi dari situ? Why Israel always conflict with Palestine? Why? What is the reason of the conflict? What is the background story?
Look.
Yeah. I will listen you. Why?
3,000 years ago.
3,000 years ago. Wah, that's long ago.
Yeah.
Lama banget, 3.000 tahun lalu.
There were Jewish in Israel, okay?
Oh yeah, Jewish, yeah.
And the Romans killed them and
Ngapain?
Make them go to other countries.
Oh, go abroad.
And 80 years ago, some Jews come to Israel to, and they were a Palestinian here.
Yeah. And then, konflik itu.
And they started to
to war.
But we want peace. We want peace. We don't war anymore.
Iya, peace is very good. Don't war lah, because there are so many civilian will die. They don't know anything about the politics, and then they die because of the rockets flying in the sky. And then struck in the WC, orang lagi pada nongkrong, lagi pada berak, pada ini jadi pada kena roket, gitu ya. Don't war, make a peace, gitu. Gimana sih Israel? Dia aja ente. Your teeth very white, you brush your teeth every day. Gigi ente putih banget. Jadi bang, ente you play game nggak? Do you play game Fortnite, Mobile Legend gitu? PUBG gitu? Counter Strike. Wow, pantes cocok. Ente bang, Israel sukanya perang, mainnya Counter Strike. Suka nembak-nembakin sipil. Shooting, headshot. Wah, gitu. Counter Strike, pantes ente cocok bener mainnya. Counter Strike, no, I'm playing Point Blank. Do you know Point Blank? You don't know Point Blank?
No, what is it?
It is similar like Counter Strike. Woi, Israel. Israel payah. Israel teroris. Mantap jiwa. Ya bang. Tawa-tawa lu. Baik Kang Comai. Hello, you from Belanda?
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
I am from Singapore.
I'm Persian. Iran.
Oh, Iran, tukang nuklir.
I'm singer. I'm
Rapper. Yeah. Coba dong,
Yeah,
try.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Try to rap.
I'm rapper.
Try to rap. I want to listen your rapping. Yeah.
Playing music me. Yeah.
Yeah, seekor kera terkurung terpenjara dalam gua di gunung tinggi sunyi tempat hukuman para dewa. Gitu. Aduh, beginilah.
Stop, please.
Oh, beginilah anak-anak kalau diimunisasinya pakai nuklir. Halo. Tuh, rasis kan? Israel. Tapi Israel. What are you doing, soldier?
I'm from England, Amerika.
Aduh, senjata buat nembakin orang Palestina tuh. Parah lu. You are army?
Yeah, nigga.
Yes, I am army.
Oh, army. Is there any war in your country?
No war.
Oh, no war. Because you always war with Hamas.
What is the way?
Oh, iya. Lu sending rocket.
You want peace?
Iya, peace. Only peace. Yes, gitu. Israel payah. Israel tukang ambil tanah orang. What's your name?
Name Omre Bartush.
Oh, canda mulu lo tentara.
You say
Apa?
Ani zona.
Enggak mau. Gue mau dikerjain gue. Enggak. Nih gue tulis nih.
You say Ani?
Sharmuta.
Ya. Oh. Tuh.
Aku Yahudi.
Aku Yahudi penjajah.
What is this?
Itu tulis.
What?
Very good. That's very good.
I'm not English. I'm Palestinian. I love
Bomelot.
Bardes.
משחק גלבים.
Yeah, most of that.
What do you drink?
Ini
This is weed,
vodka.
Weed, huh?
No. Usa te dana bimas. Guarda da alcol perché India sì.
Ada Netanyahu, mana Netanyahu?
Netanyahu.
Mana Netanyahu sih deh?
Netanyahu.
Waduh, dasar ente Israel. You live in Haifa?
Haifa.
No.
From Haifa.
You from?
Oh, Marco.
Oh, aku.
Like Mukata.
Oh iya, sebelahnya Mampang.
Hello my friend. How are you?
Hello my friend. You from Czech Republic?
No, I'm now in Netherlands. You in Singapore, yeah?
Oh, Netherlands.
Netherlands.
You you colonize my country. Do you know Dendels?
Your country Singapore, yeah?
No, my country is Indonesia.
Indonesia now?
Yeah. I'm Indonesian.
You music in Indonesia now?
You are the colonizer, the grandson of the Dendels. Long ago, your nation come to my country and you took spicy food. Oh, batuk-batuk loh. Ayah ente Belanda. What's your name?
Artyom.
Hah?
Artyom.
Oh, narasumber. Aduh. Nama gue Pan Persi.
Pan Persi patuhi maestro.
Ada aja. What are you doing? You doing in the garage?
Pidarasap net.
Nih itu. Oh, kayaknya bukan orang Belanda ini. Lu bohongin gua lu ya. Tampul pala lu. Iya, Bang.
Lalu.
Tampul pala lu, bener, Bang. Subscribe.